Hey guys, good morning. So today we're on the way to the vet to bring Malibu in because she's getting spayed today. Aww. But yeah, y'all, I'm so sad and I'm so scared because this is really my baby, y'all, and I don't know, I just don't know what to expect, but I hope everything goes well. She doesn't seem too happy because she could not eat breakfast. Apparently they're not allowed to eat 10 hours before the surgery, so she could not eat anything today, sadly. But yeah guys, let's go take her. We just got here. It's 7:50. I'm like 10 minutes early, but let's just go inside and see if someone can take her. But I'm so sad. Bye Malibu, bye. She looks. Bye Malibu, bye.
Three suit?
Yeah, should I take it off? Or
No.
Okay.
Bye,
Guys, I just dropped Malibu off and I'm heading to work. I'm so sad. Like, this is just so sad to me. Like, I cannot believe that. I'm just so scared, y'all. I really hope like everything works out and that she's not bad happens, you know. So hopefully everything turns out well, you guys, when it's time to pick her up. Hey guys, I'm back. It's 5 p.m. I just got the call back from the vet saying that she's all good. They said she did amazing and she's ready to go get picked up. Y'all, that just felt like such a relief. But yeah guys, let's go. Guys, here she is. Malibu, I missed you. Did you miss me? I'm driving right now, but look at how Malibu looks. She is so sleepy, so tired. I have a client at 7. It's 6:27 right now. I'm about to park at home, but I need to like feed her real quick because I don't want her to be, she doesn't eat all day. She's gonna be so groggy, but she's been doing pretty well. I'm so happy everything worked out. But yeah guys, we just got home. Look at how cute she looks. She literally just peed on the floor as soon as we got here, but I'm gonna cut her some slack because, you know, after what happened today. So for the post-op instructions, I'm supposed to spoon feed her only, so we're gonna give her some of this Caesar, some yummy. She looks mad right now because I just yelled at her for peeing. It's okay. Sit. Yo, she's eating. This feels like she's a baby. Yummy. Ah. Yummy. You guys, I gave her this bone, but she cannot reach it, so I'm gonna switch her cones out so that way she can actually eat her food. Switch your cone. You can sleep. Oh, now she got her bone. She chilling. Okay, time to eat. Hey guys, so it's the next morning now. She was acting completely fine. Like, she's been playing and stuff. She made a mess because I gave her some food. But she's been playing, eating, and everything. I'm about to give her medication. It's like half a tablet. It's only one in here because I'm supposed to split it in half and then give that to her. So, yeah, let's do that. She's so happy and she's doing so well. This is the pill. Gotta split it in half. Perfect. Scene. She don't like it. I might have to put it in some peanut butter.